Welcome to Mr. Chalk's Revision Tips. In this video, we will look at
Protist, the transmission of Protist, and malaria. So, there are some key features that Protist has. Right, so protists are a group of microorganisms that have features that belong to animals, plants, and fungi. So, most protists are small and can only be seen with a microscope. So, they're usually unicellular. They are eukaryotic, which means they have a nucleus. Most have mitochondria. They can be parasitic. They all prefer moist environment. And they can be classified into three groups. So you can have animal-like protists, plant-like protists, and fungi-like protists. So malaria is a disease which is spread by mosquitoes that carry the Plasmodium parasite. So these are often found in areas with high temperatures like Africa, Asia, and South Central America, but not in the UK. So the mosquitoes suck on the blood from an infected person. They then can go and either pass it into an animal reservoir or into another human. This then inoculates the parasite or the protist into their blood, where it goes and it moves to the liver. Inside of the liver, the Plasmodium parasites go and develop and pass into red blood cells. Once in red blood cells, they carry on growing until they cause the red blood cells to burst open. Another mosquito might then go and feed on the blood of the person who is infected with malaria and then go and pass it on to another person, and the whole thing starts again. So an example of a question that might involve protists says, so lungworm is an infection, so lugworm can kill dogs. It is caused by a small worm, so the diagram below shows the life cycle of the lugworm, so suggests how the spread of lugworm can be prevented. So you can see there it goes from the dog, it can then go and pass into snails, and when the dogs touch or eat the snails, they become reinfected. So we could go and destroy all the snails, we could isolate dogs or infected dogs, could treat the infected dogs, they might develop a vaccination against it, or we might go and educate owners about picking up the dog feces so the snails do not become infected with the worms.
Thanks for watching.